I'm stand beside the electric slip roll. For this machine, the model is ESR 1300 4.5. And for this machine, its maximum rolling width is 1,300 millimeter, and its maximum rolling thickness is 4.5 millimeter. You can see this machine also have 3 slip roll: top roll, lower roll, and back roll. And this machine is equipped with a safe device. When the operator meets some urgent situation when the machine is running, he can pull this rope and the machine will stop at once. So it is more safely. And at the side, there is also a hand wheel. It is for control the moving of the lower roll up and down. So you see, when I turn at this position, at this direction, and the lower roll is going up. And if I turn this hand wheel to another direction, it will go down. And how to control the back roll up and down? For this machine, we equipped an electric lifting device. So you can use these 2 buttons to control the back roll up and down by electric. So it is very easy and very convenient. And here is a digital indicator. It shows the position of the back roll for the operator's reference. So this digital indicator and the electric lifting device are optional choice. For the standard machine, it won't equip the electric lifting device and digital indicator. It is the back rolls up and down also controlled by a hand wheel, same to the manual one, same to the manual type. So I'm going to switch on the machine to show its functions. Here is the main switch, the power switch. I turned at this position. Push this button to start. Okay, you can see here is a pedal. I step on it to let the rolls turning. See? And another direction. So very easy to control the machine. You can see here 2 cylinders for different diameter. We have finished in advance use this machine. You only need a few minutes to finish such a cylinder. So it's very efficient to save the time. Okay, and if I push this button, the back roll will come up. And if I push this button, the back roll will go down. Okay, I will show it to you. Okay, you can see first I let the back row down. You can see the digital changes here. It's changing here. It shows the position of the back row. Okay, now I let it go up. Okay, you can see it's up now. And sometimes you need this machine to finish some coins. So this small slip row is for helping you to finish the coin. It will stop one side of the material, the sheet, one side of the sheet, and you also have to adjust the position of the back row. You can see here. Okay. Sorry. Can you see it? You can see, is it okay now? Okay, can you see it now? Okay, okay, you can see these two black gears, two black gears, they are together now. So if I push the buttons, the two sides of the back row go up and down together, two sides. And when you need to use this machine to finish coins, you need to let these two black parts separate it. You lose the bolts here, and you can separate these two parts. And then only this side of the row can go up and down, and that side will stop at that position. So you will get this slip row. This row will titled like this, and then you can finish the coin. Okay, let's back to the front of the machine. Okay, okay. Now I will show the function of this safe device. You can see when the machine is working, I pull this rope. You see, it stops at once. Now again, you see, it works very well. This machine is with a very beautiful toolbox. I open it. And there are some tools inside it. So it's very good, very convenient. This machine is very popular in the market, and it is European design. We have got CE certificate for this machine, and we also have many other models of the electric sleep roll machine for different capacity, such as 2 meters, 2.5 meters, and different rolling thickness. For example, 4.5, 2.5 millimeter, and all of them have CE certificate. So if you like it, please don't hesitate to contact us. Now I'm going to introduce the